Hello guys, I have an unboxing here of the HP Envy X2, the hybrid tablet slash netbook or laptop. Sorry that this unboxing comes a little bit late. I know this device has been out since December, but it wasn't until now that I was able to get one. So we're gonna do the unboxing quick. As far as the specs, this has a resolution of 1368 by 768 high definition. It also comes with Windows 8. The battery life is rated about 14 hours. The processor is Intel Atom dual core 1.80 gigahertz. Operating system Windows 8. The weight is 3.11 pounds. The screen size is 11.6 high definition diagonal. 64 gig of SSD hard drive. It supports Beats audio with dual speakers. The rear camera is 7 megapixel with flash and supports 1080p video. It comes with an Intel graphics, 2 GB of RAM, DDR2. So with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox it quick. All right. So we have some instructions, setup instruction here. So here's the actual tablet, guys, or computer. Let's take a quick look at what's in the box. Looks like we have a charger here. Yeah, we have the charger, so it kind of looks more like a laptop charger rather than the other charger that the Android tablets use. So this is supposed to charge the tablet or the laptop faster. So that's a charger. Other than that, looks like under the box here we have some more paperwork. That's about it. So here's the actual tablet, guys. Looks absolutely amazing. Amazing. Really thin profile. On this side we have a HDMI port, USB port. Looks like this is a 3.5mm audio jack and microphone maybe. On the other side we have a slot here for a micro SD card, another USB port, and this is the port for the charger. On the front there's nothing. On the back there's really nothing except for these two rubber pieces here that it's to support the back of the hinge when you open the tablet. On the bottom of the computer, the tablet, we have 4 rubber feet to keep the bottom of the tablet stable. There's another rubber piece here. Other than that, that's all. We have here the 8 megapixel camera with a flash. Here's the volume rocker. Power button right here. Let's go ahead and open it and see how it looks like inside. So there you have it. Looks absolutely amazing. The keyboard looks super nice, good size. The mouse trackpad absolutely amazing, good size, really nice quality. It's all aluminum brush finish. Here's from the side, guys, and it feels really solid. See, I can hold it with one hand. There's no wobbling or it's not moving or anything. So that's how it looks like from the side. Now, just to compare, guys, here's my Asus Vivo Tab RT, which is a 10.1 inch, which actually I'm replacing the the Vivo Tab RT for the HP. Reason why, because for me this is too small. The keyboard is kind of like crumpled together. It's not the same size. The screen size feels to be a little too small, and this is Windows RT, so you're very limited with the applications and programs that you can download and install. Plus, this is a quad-core processor, more for like a tablet. This is actually running full Windows, and it has a new Intel Atom dual-core processor. I'm hoping that this is going to be way faster than this one. Plus, I'm going to be able to run all the programs from Windows. So there's no way to install Google Chrome here or any other program. So I'm excited to try this. As you can see, both profiles are about the same. Actually, let's see if we can compare keyboards. So let's actually remove this here. So here are the keyboard, guys, just to give you a better idea in terms of size, how much extra keyboard you're getting with the HP. In terms of thickness, I think they're about the same, but you can see that the other one, the HP, is longer. Here's the back. Let's take a look at the tablets now. So here's the HP, here's the Windows one. Not too much difference. Both have a aluminum brush finish, but I like way better the HP one. Both have 8 megapixel camera with flash. So anyways, like I said, I don't have complaints about the Asus, except for the fact that you cannot run all the different programs available for Windows. And last, here my Acer Aspire 1 756, which is also 11.6 inches, just to compare sizes. So as you can see, they are about the same size. Well, actually, from here to here, the Acer is longer, so this is gonna be a little more compact, more portable. As far as the height right here with the screens, they're about the same. If we close them, you can see right there that the HP is thinner than the Acer. From side to side, looks like the HP it's a little bit taller or wider, but from this on the side, the thickness of the Acer is bigger or more. So I've been using the Acer for all my everyday activities and multitasking, so I'm happy with the Acer. It's just that the battery life sucks. So I'm hoping that with this tablet, I'm gonna be able to do all my different applications and programs and enjoy the long battery life. So there you go, guys. That was an unboxing of the HP Envy X2 dual core tablet hybrid / notebook. Thanks for watching, guys.